guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seddiesnowz, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys one of the very easiest ways to style your wigs. You know, most times you want to go out and you don't have all the time to start combing your wigs, brushing them and styling them, so you would want to do that the day before, so you can just style them on your dummy and the next day you just carry them, wear them on your head like a cap. Because you know, sometimes you want to go somewhere and maybe because of the weather you don't want to lay down your hair, or maybe because of the outfit and stuff like that, so you just want to do a very simple updo. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys one of the easiest ways to style your wigs, and it is pretty simple. So please just stay tuned, and I'll be doing more of such videos. So this is going to be like a part 1, so I'm going to do it in a series. So after this video I'll do more on hairstyling. So if you want to see how I achieved this very simple hairstyle, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so please ignore the background. I filmed this late at night, so I had to use the store. That is why you can see all of those items in the background. So right now I'm just trying to comb the hair, and first I section out a tiny piece at the left side in front because I want to use that extra piece for something, and then I do the same thing with this other side. I still section out a very tiny piece of hair and leave it for later. So that is what I'm doing right now. And once I section out those two tiny pieces in front, I just go on ahead to pack the whole bunch at the back, and I'm going on with my rubber band. Guys, you can use a black one. I couldn't find my black rubber band, so I had to go with this one, but you can use the black one so it can blend perfectly. So right now I'm just combing the end so it doesn't tangle, and then the next thing is I section this lay down hair into two, and I make 2 double strand twists with them. So that is what I'm going to do now. This is the first one. I'm making a double strand twist all the way down. And then I repeat the same process with the other one. Make 2 double strand twists because that is what I'm going to use to style the hair. So as you can see, I just curved one of those double strand twists and I secure it with my bobby pins. That is just a trick about this thing. You just use bobby pins to secure the hair down, and you can see that I'm doing the same thing with the second double strand twist, and I'm just going on ahead with my bobby pins to secure it. And that is an extra hair I was trying to tuck in. I'm using my comb to tuck the hair in so it doesn't come out, and I go on ahead with more bobby pins to secure the hair down. And we are done with the back, guys. So right now I'm going to use this tiny hair I parted in the front, and you can see me twisting it. It's not a double strand twist. I just used my hand, my fingers to roll it, and I bring it all the way to the back and secure with my bobby pins, and you can see me tucking in the extra hair in there. And I'll repeat the same process with the hair on the other side, just to give you that princessy look. And that is what I'm doing with this as well. I'm still tucking in the extra hair so it is all nice and clean. And trust me guys, you are done with this hairstyle. That is it about this hairstyle. You can see that it is very simple but very also princessy. So I just attached that little hair piece there to make it beautiful, and we are done, guys. That is just it about this hairstyle. And I rocked this same hair. After I styled this, I wore it to a dinner party. You can check my previous video to see how I used the hair, and it looked all beautiful. So that is it. Very easy, very simple. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video today, and stay tuned because I'll be doing more of such videos. So if you liked this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.